Fastest motorcycles in the world. Number 10. Yamaha YZF R1M. Top speed 191 miles per hour. With the introduction of the R1M, Yamaha has also given in to the popular demand for 1000cc superbikes that have a track focus. Lucky for them, fans throughout the world have responded positively to this new and improved machine. The R1M's power plant has recently undergone a number of improvements, but it continues to use Yamaha's unique crossplane technology, which when paired with ride-by-wire controls, delivers an instantaneous burst of power. Additionally, a plethora of technological components keep tabs on the outside environment and can help the rider make necessary adjustments. Yamaha has strategically incorporated electronically adjustable dampers from Olin, a rapid shifter that allows for lightning-fast gear changes, and a plethora of riding modes to make the whole experience feel seamless. The riding modes on this motorcycle facilitate a quick transition between R1M's multiple settings that control this beast's gut-wrenching power delivery on the road. Due to its aggressive yet extremely aerodynamic bodywork, the R1M and its rider can effortlessly cut through the wind. Number 9. Suzuki Hayabusa. Top speed 194 miles per hour. In Japanese, Hayabusa means peregrine falcon, and in 1999, this bird of prey became the world's fastest production motorcycle. For many years later, the bike's name was practically synonymous with the term fastest bike. Therefore it was, and is, an accomplishment worth commemorating. For those that aren't motorcycle enthusiasts, nonetheless know the name Hayabusa, and they know it is cherished for its speed. As claimed by Suzuki themselves, this is the pinnacle of superbikes. The 1340cc 4-cylinder Dock engine of the 2020 Hayabusa features modern EFI with a 10-hole fuel injectors and dual-ram air intakes. This bike is a blast to whiz through town or to use as a touring vehicle. For the times when you do need all that power, Suzuki has cleverly included a drive mode option to suit your needs. Number 8. Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory. Top speed 199 miles per hour. Aprilia has made significant upgrades to the RSV4 factory version that has brought it up to pace with its competitors. Its enhanced aerodynamics are a direct result of the new seamless winglets, wider windscreen, and redesigned bodywork. The 1078cc V4 engine produces 217 horsepower at 13,000 RPM, allowing the Italian motorcycle to reach a high speed of 199 miles per hour. Surprisingly, for such a high-powered motorbike, the RSV4 doesn't disappoint on the emissions front either. It has aligned with Euro 5 standards without altering its distinctive exhaust note or performance. This beauty has many high-tech features, such as an Olin semi-active suspension system that allows the rider to toggle between several modes. Number 7. BMW S1000RR. Top speed 200 miles per hour. You can see why the 2020 BMW S1000RR is regarded as a truly hardcore superbike by riders and motorcycling aficionados alike. In spite of the bike's estimated top speed of 200 miles per hour, the lucky one to ride this motorcycle will feel more secure thanks to the BMW logos adorning the fairings. It would assure anyone to know that you would be trusting a piece of engineering produced by one of Germany's most prominent automobile manufacturers. The S1000RR is a high-performance bike designed for more seasoned riders. Its 999cc liquid-cooled inline-4 engine produces 205 horsepower. Intake valve lift and opening are managed based on speed by the BMW's shift cam technology. In other words, the engine is constantly optimizing the power it delivers. In practice, this means that you and your RR will experience optimal performance under any and all conditions, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Number 6. Ducati Panigale V4R. Top speed 204 miles per hour. Ducati's V4R superbike is the pinnacle of performance that can legally be ridden on public roads. The R indicates that this is the racing edition, and the top tier of V4 lives up to its billing in every way. Its top-notch performance is matched by a suite of cutting-edge safety features that make it possible to slash through previously established speed records without risk. No other street-legal motorcycle comes close to the 234 horsepower that the V4R's engine can produce when paired with an Akrapovic exhaust system. The dry weight of the V4R is only 165 kilos, which makes the other features seem even more impressive. The V4R's status as the top superbike is bolstered by its advanced aerodynamics and electronics. The top-of-the-line superbike from Ducati can easily reach 204 miles per hour. Number 5. Kawasaki Ninja ZX14R. Top speed 208 miles per hour. The Ninja ZX14R presently stands as the series' pinnacle model with a 1441cc inline-4 engine, producing 208 horsepower and 113 pound-feet of torque. The engine is larger than the Honda H2Rs or Suzuki Hayabusas, and it's enormous. Therefore, Kawasaki came up with a new monocoque design, in which the bike's frame is effectively one continuous support structure. As the top-of-the-line model, the ZX14R has all the bells and whistles you'd expect, such as anti-lock brakes, standard and high performance modes, traction control, Brembo brake calipers, a slipper clutch to optimize power and traction, and twin intake valves. The throttle response softens and overall power is reduced in the regular power mode. Would you consider buying this motorcycle if the price range begins at $14,999? We'd love to know in the comment section below, and we reply to all comments. Number 4. Honda CBR 1000 RRR Fireblade SP. Top speed 211 miles per hour. Honda's flagship superbike, the CBR 1000 RRR Fireblade SP, takes heavy cues from its MotoGP brother like any other 1000cc motorbikes. The Fireblade SP is a special edition model sold only in the United States. It's practically a carbon duplicate of the RS213V superbike, which has helped Honda secure multiple pole positions in MotoGP. Its heart is a tried-and-true inline 4-cylinder engine that has been extensively improved and sends 214 horsepower to the bike's rear wheels. With its immense power, finely balanced chassis, weight distribution, and well-tuned suspension setup, Honda has created a stunning, yet timeless classic racing machine. Honda has spared no effort in making the outside just as engaging as the interior. The tricolor coloring of HRC is complemented with a titanium exhaust that not only highlights the superbike's aggressive DNA, but also helps to reduce its overall weight. Overall, the CBR 1000 RRR Fireblade SP is a fantastic Japanese competitor to the likes of the V4R, which was until now enjoying its hegemony in the road legal track-focused superbike market. Number 3. Lightning LS218. Top speed 218 miles per hour. The Lightning LS218 is the only motorcycle here that does not run on fossil fuel. Now that's some great news. Elon would be proud. That definitely deserves a like. They put batteries in the place which would normally hold gas for a motorcycle. As this is electric, it doesn't generate any harmful emissions and is better for the environment. The LS218 does not create a lot of noise, which may be an important factor for some riders. The motorbike, at first glance, appears to be similar to previous superbikes, with its large fuel tank, large fairings, large disc brakes, large swing arms, large tires, and single C. The only real distinction is that neither a muted nor racing exhaust can be found anywhere on this bike. The engine is a 150 kilowatt IPM liquid-cooled power plant, which may not sound like much, but it is capable of producing 200 horsepower and 168 pound-feet of torque. Expert throttle tuning is unnecessary because there are no dead patches or sudden jumps in power delivery. Using its high-speed gearing and Fairy Lightning, the LS18 can easily reach speeds of 218 miles per hour. Number 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2. Top speed 227 miles per hour. The original 2015 Kawasaki Ninja H2 had a spaceship-like experience thanks to its cartoonish exhaust and the bike's signature green and black color scheme. One could imagine the Predator riding it. The most recent iteration is essentially unchanged, however our eyes have become accustomed to the design. The H2 is equipped with a 998cc inline 4-cylinder engine that can produce 228 horsepower and 98.5 pound-feet of torque at 10,500 RPM when supercharged. If you still aren't persuaded that the H2 is part of the supercharged Supersport class of Ninja Superbike series, take a look at the spanking new insignia that reads Supercharged. You'll need to set aside at least $32,500 to buy this beast. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if these motorcycles have impressed you and you would like to see more videos just like this. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Top speed 249 miles per hour. Lots of folks claim that the Kawasaki Ninja H2R is just way too good to be true. It's roughly $55,000 for a total package that is quick, vicious, stunning, and bold. There aren't many motorcycles that even the most ardent motorcyclist would hesitate to hop aboard. The 2020 Ninja H2R will be Kawasaki's most powerful motorcycle to date. In fact, it has the potential to be the most powerful sport bike of any brand in the entire 2020 model year. With its ability to crank up to 310 horsepower and 115 pound-feet of torque, the H2R could be the pioneer of a new class of motorcycles, the hyper sport bikes. The motorcycle's supercharged 998cc inline 4-cylinder engine is responsible for all of those specs, yet it weighs only 476 pounds. For a factory stock motorcycle, the H2R still has the unofficial record of 249 miles per hour. The 2016 model year of the motorcycle was used to set the record in Turkey a few years ago. We are sure these speed monsters are great for traveling alone, but what if you wanted to gain some speed but with some friends? In that case, you should check out our video about the 10 fastest boats ever made.